Hello everyone, Rob Ginsberg here today with another Devolve unboxing. Today we have a package from Middle of Beyond, and I think a lot of you will probably guess what this is already, so let's open it up and see. Okay. And here we go. It is, yes, the new Devo shirt, which I've been looking forward to getting for a long time. We're going to have our special model try this on, tell us how it is, and we'll check right back.
Alright, here's Bougie. Is it quality material? Does it fit you this size? Awesome.